The Ramadan crescent moon was sighted, heralding Eid-ul-Fitr. At dawn, the village glowed with joy as families, dressed in fresh attire, gathered at the Eidgah. The Imam's resonant Takbeer echoed, hearts swelling with gratitude and communal unity. Post, prayers, laughter and gift exchanges buzzed through the village, shops brimming with colorful sweets. Children played gleefully, neighbors shared warm embraces, and charity ensured everyone partook in Eid's blessings. By evening, families reflected on their fortunes, embracing Eid's enduring spirit, a timeless reminder that hardship gives way to ease.